The Reflectix R-21 crawlspace application is an excellent choice when considering insulation options for existing or new residential construction. The product is easy to handle and install and is itch-free. It is offered in 16, 24, and 48-inch widths by 25, 50, and 100-foot lengths. The featured product is a double-sided 94% plus reflective film enclosing 2 layers of heavy-gauge polyethylene bubbles. This application requires only basic tools: a stapler, tape measure, utility knife, straight edge, and safety glasses. Only one accessory product is needed: our Reflectix foil tape for sealing the seams. The Reflectix crawlspace application provides an R-21, a vapor moisture retarder, inhibits mold and mildew, and has a Class A, Class 1 fire rating. When properly installed, the product prevents ground moisture from causing dry rot. For this demonstration, we used a roll of staple tab edge double reflective insulation, the ST16050. For printed installation instructions, PDFs per application are available on our website at www.reflectixinc.com. Running the product parallel to the joist makes for the easiest installation. This application requires 2 layers of product, one in the center of the cavity and the second across the bottom of the joists. Begin at one end of the house and staple the first course of product to the top of the band bore or subfloor, also terminating this course in the same fashion. Insert the Reflectix halfway up into the joist cavity and staple, at approximately 3 to 4 inch intervals, the edge of the product to the side of the joist. The goal is to split the joist cavity into 2 approximately equal enclosed air spaces. Continue with the second course of product at one end of a joist cavity, after the first course has been installed, and secure the product end with staples to the band board. Proceed down the joist by stapling each edge to the face or bottom surface of each joist. Staple the product at intervals of approximately 3 to 4 inches. At the end of the product run, staple the Reflectix to the band board. To create a vapor barrier, seal the seams with our Reflectix foil tape. Please note, all applications require an airspace on at least one side of the product to provide thermal benefit. For more information on our Reflectix products and/or applications, please click or call www.reflectixinc.com or 1-800-879-3645. Thank you for your attention. We appreciate your interest in Reflectix products.